Yeah, hi friends, my name is Krip Chandan and welcome back to my channel Energy Environment Education. Friends, today's video is very important for all those engineers who are looking forward to make career in energy sector. So in this video, I'm going to highlight 5 reasons why electrical and mechanical engineers can look for making career in energy sector. So it's not that only 5 reasons are there. There are a lot of other reasons also why any electrical engineer or mechanical engineer can switch to this sector, energy sector in future, or think of making career in energy sector. But today's video I am highlighting only 5 reasons which are very important for you to understand if you are really looking forward to build your career in energy sector in near future, friends. So it's not that only the concerned person who is, already doing job somewhere, for them only important. It is also important for all those students who are still pursuing engineering for an institute or college across the country. They can also start thinking about making career in this sector. So for them also this video can be important. So this video is important especially for all the students who are still studying, and also who have passed out from the college and looking for the jobs, and also who are already doing jobs and they are looking forward to switch to any other sector. For them also this sector can help, can be a bit of help for them, and they can build a strong career in this particular sector, friends. So let's start the video today, and I'll highlight you the 5 important reasons why electrical and mechanical engineers can really think of making career in energy sector, friends. The first most important reason why any engineer should think of building career in the sector, because it's a booming sector, friends. A lot of job opportunities going to come in near future, and really it's a good going to be booming for all the engineers. They can really think of building career in the sector, friends. So if you see this graph, friends, it's an old graph of the year 2017, and only one part of energy sector is highlighted here, that is renewable part. There are other segments also. So if you see this particular graph, it's an old graph, and you see there different types of job segments are there, and total across the world, if you see 9.8 million jobs only from this particular part of the sector, friends. So you can just imagine how big is the sector. This sector is the energy sector, what I'm talking about, and only a part of the energy sector is highlighted here in this graph. And see the number of job profiles, different type of jobs which are available here, and the number of jobs in millions you can see across the world, which is possible if you switch to this career, friends. So this will give you a fair idea. Just I wanted to highlight here, because just to give an idea to you how important is this sector is, and different type of profiles, job profiles you can have here, and different type of segments what you can have here in this sector. So if you see only the part of the segment, part of the energy sector, you see here only renewable part is mentioned here. And then if you see the 9.8 million jobs are there, so you can imagine how big is the sector and how many jobs there is in the, across the world in this sector, friends. So if not, still if you have not thought of switching this career to this career, really you can now start thinking about switching to this career after you pass out from the an institute, or if already you have passed out and still thinking of which career you should think of. So then for you also this sector is very important, because a lot of job segments are there, and not only in India, across the globe you see a lot of job profiles are there, job segments are there, and really you can think of switching to this career, friends. So it's a very strong reason why I am saying you should think about making career in this sector, in energy sector, in near future, friends. The second strong reason why I'm saying you should think of switching to this career sector, or making career in this sector, because here in this, especially in this sector, you will get a good job profile. You get a good designation to work in, as compared to an engineer who gets simple jobs or other jobs in their profile. So if you compare the job profile as compared to energy profile, where any engineer is working in, so you will have a good designation to work in, and I'll explain you why it is important here in coming slides, friend. So generally what happens when you switch to this career, you start as an energy engineer. That's what I highlighted in the first video. If you have missed the first video, just you can go through the first video where I have mentioned the different job profiles, five important job profiles in this energy sector. Basically I started with the an energy engineer. As an energy engineer you can start your profile, I mean, in this sector. So once you start your career as an energy engineer, slowly you get the expertise and you build your start your building your career. So after few years only you get the management role. Once you become a certified energy manager, start straight away you can start with the management role. Now if you compare a simple engineer who is working in a plant or in an industry, what happens? Basically he keeps on working there, and very after long years he gets a good designation to working as a, like suppose you can say a plant head, or you can say, or chief engineer you can say. But for that he has to wait at least 15 years or 20 years of time, uh, once he gets this type of role in the in an industry or any company. But if you are into a energy segment, in energy sector, after few years only you get a good role to play in any company, in any industry. Basically once you get certified, and for certification you will not need more years. I mean, once you start as an energy engineer, after 3 to 5 years only you or 3 to 4 years only you are getting certified as an energy manager. So once you become an energy manager, certified energy manager, uh, you'll get a straight away you will get a management role in any company or in any industry. So slowly you will get a top management role also you can play after 5 to 10 years down the line, friends. So what I'm trying to say in short, compared to simple job profile what is available for any engineer to work in, there they have to struggle too much, and then to reach a good management role they have to struggle for 10 to 15 years also. But here as an energy manager you get a, after 3 to 4 years only you get a good job role in any company or in any organization or in any industry, friends. So really it's a very good job profile to work in, and you have good progress, you can have good career progress you can have in a very short span of time, friends. So that's why I say this particular job sector, you can say energy sector, is very important for you to work in, where very few years you can get a good I mean position to work in any company or organization, friends. So now let's see the third important reason, strong reason why any engineer should think of switching to this sector or making career in the energy sector. Why I am saying this? Because basically the demand of this type of profile, job profiles, energy profile is in different type of industries all across the country and abroad also. So the strong reason why I'm saying this, I'm going to I mean, explain you in coming slides, friend. So, just for your knowledge, friends, basically there are two types of industries all across the globe. One is the service industry, the other one is the manufacturing industry. So, if you go to any industry, you will find this type of job profile in energy sector. So, this energy sector is very important for all the different type of industries. I mean, if it is a manufacturing industry, so there are different type of plants are there, like cement plant is there, iron steel plant is there, power plant is there, textile plant is there, or any paper plant is there, or sugar plant is there. In any plant you go there, you'll find a role of energy engineer, energy manager, energy auditor there. So energy profile is almost relevant there in any manufacturing industry you go. Likewise, if you go to any service industry also, I'll explain you in another video how in service industry this type of job profile is suits in, and how it is applicable to any service industry, where you can think of making career in as an energy profile you can build up in any service industry. I'll make a separate video on that. So keep watching my channel also. I'll just request you for the from this particular video, keep watching my channel. I'll post different type of videos on this particular I mean segment and the sector, friends. So why I'm saying this here, the manufacturing industry is one part, the other part is service industry. So if you're thinking making career in energy sector, you can switch to any of the two. I mean, if you can want to go in a plant and work there, there also you are getting a lot of jobs opportunities in different profiles in manufacturing industry. And if you don't want to go into a plant, and if you want to as a work in a service industry, there also you are getting different type of job profiles in energy segment, friends. So that's what I'm saying ki, this particular sector is applicable to both the industries, both the type of industries where you can really think of working in, friends. So this is the third point that I wanted to highlight, the strong reason why any engineer should think of working as an in energy sector, friends. Now, the fourth important reason why any engineer should think of switching to this career is because the jobs that are available is not only in India. A lot of jobs, even I'll say more number of jobs are important across the globe, friends. I mean abroad, across the globe. You can say any, if you go to any Gulf country, they also find different type of jobs in energy sector, friends. And also if you go to other countries abroad, they also find different type of job profiles available and a strong market for energy. Energy profile, you can say, or I can say people working in energy sector, friends. They have a really good strong hold across the globe, and strong market is there for any energy employee, friends. So this is the fourth point that I wanted to highlight. I'll explain you in a coming slide, friend. So as I said, this particular sector is not only in India, even across the globe. You can go if abroad. You go, they'll find a lot of jobs. Different job profiles are there available, and really a strong profile is there across the globe, friends. So if you all like, if you see this picture, I am just highlighting here the Gulf countries. If you go to any Gulf country, you'll see a lot of people are working in energy sector, and really good, strong. Their impact is there in this sector, and their hold is there for those people working in this sector, and also good amount of package they are receiving. They are working in this sector, friends. So that's what I'm saying. If you're making career in any sector, one thing is India, where you can really think of working in. A lot of job opportunities are already available here, and going to come in near future also in India here. But if you're thinking of making career in any sector and not want to stay in India, you want to go abroad, there also you get a lot of opportunities. So if you just, I'm highlighting here only the Gulf countries. Here you see all the Gulf countries you go, they will find the energy sector prevalent there, and a lot of opportunities and different type of job opportunities are there available for energy engineers or energy, auditors, or different other profiles where energy employees are working in. So for them also, this Gulf region is very strong area where they can work in. Also, not only in Gulf countries, even other countries also across the globe, they can go and they can really work and search for a good job with good package, friends. So really, that's what I'm trying to highlight here. Okay, if you are searching to this career, making career in energy sector, you'll have a really strong hold and strong profile to work in, not only in India, across the globe also you can go and switch. Work in with a good package, friends. So this is a fourth reason, strong reason that I wanted to highlight why any engineer, if you're thinking about making a career, so you can think of the energy sector as a good sector to work in, friends, in near future. And now the fifth and most important reason why, if you are staying in India, for example, why it is important for any engineer to think of switching to this career, sector, or making career in the sector, because a lot of government schemes are already in and it's going to come in near future, where government is really investing too much and focusing too much on energy sector, and they are really a lot of job schemes are also available in current market also, that I will explain you in other videos that I'm going to make and present to you how you can apply to different jobs in this sector, and what are the different areas where you can focus in for the applying jobs in this sector, and different jobs available in this sector, friends, that I'm going to make separate video in coming days, and I'm going to post here. So keep watching my videos, again I'm saying, and please subscribe my channel if not yet. So you see here the government schemes, a lot of government schemes are there where this energy sector is really important to work in, and a lot of job profiles are there where even government is thinking of making available for the engineers who are working in energy sector, friends. So I'll explain you this thing in the coming slide. So you can see this particular slide where I have just posted a picture here highlighting the different schemes available. I'm only giving you, citing you only few of the schemes. It's not only these schemes are available. A lot of other schemes are also available where engineers can work in, and different sector. Different profiles in energy sector. So if you see the standard labeling scheme, one of the schemes of government of India, energy conservation buildings, for especially for buildings to make it energy efficient. There also, the government is focusing on and making different schemes on, so where engineers can really think of not only working as an engineer here, but also as an energy engineer or energy auditor or energy manager or something for making the energy conservation building efficient. Even a PAT scheme is there. I'll explain you in another video what is PAT scheme all about, where the different engineers are working in as a energy in energy sector, friends. So it's also a scheme of government of India. The SME programs for small medium enterprises, also a lot of programs are there where the engineers can suit there, and they can really good profile is there for them to work in energy sector, friends. For SDS also is there. Demand side management is also one profile for discoms, where also you can think of switching to this career, and you can make a career as an energy expert. Basically, if you're an engineer in electrical side, if you're engineer, so you can think of making this career in this type of scheme also available, friends, across country. Also PAT scheme, I will give you another make another video on PAT scheme. That's what I said is applicable to all different type of industries, big industries there. So a lot of programs, what I'm trying to say, a lot of programs are there available in India, uh, also going to come new programs in coming years, in coming days. So you can really think of making career in this sector. If not yet, you can really start thinking now, friends. So hopefully in coming years you'll get a lot of ample opportunities working in this sector, friends. So this is the fifth reason why I say there is a strong reason why I say, because you should think of switching to this career, friends, in this sector. So with this, I have ended the basically the five reasons, strong reasons why any engineer should think of switching to this career, I mean sector, or if building a career in this sector, friends. But this is are not only five reasons. There are a lot of many other reasons also where you can think of why you should switch career in this sector, friends. So I'll give you more reasons to think about in coming videos that I'm going to post for you, friends. For the time, I have only highlighted only the five strong reasons. So I hope these reasons will motivate you uh, to think for you to, I mean to think about switching your career in this sector, friends. So I hope, friends, you have liked the video. I mean, the content that I presented in the video, friends. So any comment if you have, or any sort of thought you have, you can share in the comment section, friends. So this will help me to again understand your thought process and what you're thinking about the video content, friends. So please do like this video if you really think it's helpful for you, and also please comment whatever comment you have in your mind, because this will really give me some guidance to how to make further videos or any improvement if I want to make in this video, so I can really think about it and work on it. So please do comment on my this particular video. Please share with your other colleagues and friends also. You can share whom you think this is applicable to them also, it can help them. Please do share this video to your friends and colleagues, and also please subscribe my channel, because unless until you subscribe it, it will not motivate me to make further videos for you, friends. Also press the bell icon, friends. Once you press the bell icon, you will get the immediate notification once I post a new video in coming days, friends. Thanks for watching. But before I end, I'm going to mention two things here. The next video that I'm going to post will be of how can you become an energy engineer. So basically, all those students who are really still pursuing their, I mean, engineering, or all the engineers who have passed out, and if you're looking forward to make a career in energy as an energy engineer, to start a career as an energy engineer, so what steps you should to take, and how can you become an energy engineer, those things I'll be making on a video, separate video. In next video will be on that only, which I'm going to post in coming days, friends. So keep watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel. And before I end, one thing I would like to highlight here, an important message that I want to post here for you, friends. Maybe in coming days I am going to make this channel as a private channel, because some comments I am getting here which may not suit me and may not be, I mean, helpful for me. So it may demotivate me. So what I'm thinking of, I can make this channel as a private channel, where only my subscribers will be able to comment, and only my subscriber will be able to watch the other videos. So please, if you're really thinking that my channel is worthwhile and it may help you in near future, my videos will give you some ideas in near future. So please subscribe my channel, because maybe if I make a private this channel as a private channel, so may not be, I mean, it may not be visible to you. You may not I mean see my other videos that I'm going to post in coming days, friends. So thanks for watching again this video. Keep watching my other videos also. Please do like the video. Please share your good comments, whatever you have in your mind, any thoughts, any suggestions if you have. Please do share with your colleagues, friends, whomever think it is important for them. Please do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching, friends.